AT&T Fiber versus Xfinity Real Speed Test and Performance Review. Which is better? Today I ran real-world tests and reviewed user experiences to find out, so you can stop guessing and pick the internet that actually performs better in your home. If you're deciding right now and don't want to deal with slow speeds, buffering, or hidden limits, this comparison gives you a clear answer by the end. The first thing most reviews point out is how each connection feels during everyday use. AT&T Fiber uses a full fiber to the home connection, which means download and upload speeds are nearly the same. In real-world use, this translates to fast page loads, smooth video calls, and quick file uploads without sudden slowdowns. Xfinity for most households relies on cable internet. While download speeds are usually fast, upload speeds are noticeably lower. This difference becomes clear when uploading files, backing up photos, or joining video calls where delays are more likely to happen. Speed tests shared by users also show a difference in consistency throughout the day. AT&T Fiber tends to hold steady speeds in the morning, afternoon, and evening, even during peak hours. Streaming stays smooth and performance doesn't change much when more people are online. Xfinity generally performs well earlier in the day, but during busy evening hours, some users report small dips in speed. Streaming still works, but downloads take longer and uploads slow down more than usual, especially in crowded neighborhoods. When it comes to handling multiple devices, AT&T Fiber consistently performs well with phones, TVs, laptops, and smart home devices running at the same time. Users report minimal buffering and smooth app switching even under heavy use. Xfinity handles browsing and streaming across multiple devices without major issues, but heavier tasks like cloud backups, live uploads, or large file transfers can cause noticeable slowdowns. For households with remote work, online classes, or content creation, this difference matters. Reliability is another area where reviews tend to favor fiber. AT&T Fiber generally delivers low latency, which makes gaming and video calls feel more responsive. Xfinity is stable most of the time, but some users report occasional latency spikes during peak hours. These aren't constant, but if you're sensitive to lag, you may notice them during gaming or live calls. Looking at overall performance, the pattern is clear. AT&T Fiber consistently delivers more stable speeds, faster uploads, and smoother performance throughout the day. Xfinity remains a solid option where fiber isn't available, especially for fast downloads and everyday use. But if both services are available in your area and you want internet that stays fast no matter the time of day or how many devices are connected, AT&T Fiber comes out as the stronger overall choice.